everyone and welcome back. So today we are tackling a very nice question from the GATE, that is the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering Geophysics paper. And for those who don't know, GATE is not just an examination, it's a high stakes physiological thriller where the characters are differential equations and the plot twist is always a negative marking. So if you conquer this, you are not just getting a master's or a PSU job, you are earning the right to tell people that at the part is that you know why the earth moves, and no, it's not just love. Okay, so look at this question number 35 on your screen. So given the rally wave velocity, shear wave velocity and the p wave velocity, which of the following relationships is or are correct? Okay, and there are four options and we have to say which option will be the correct one. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so first up, the VP, that is the P wave. Now think of the P wave as that one friend who is always 15 minutes early. So it's a longitudinal wave. It pushes and pulls. It can travel through the solids, liquids and the gases. It is the first thing seismometer feels. Okay, so it's the primary wave because it's the overachiever of the seismic world. Next is the VS, that is the S wave. So this is the secondary wave. It's a shear wave. It moves side to side or up and down, and it's a bit more chill than the P wave. But here is the kicker. Okay, it's terrified of the water. It cannot travel through the liquids, and if it hits the earth outer core, it just quits. So in the other terms of the speed, it's always lower than the P wave, always. Finally, we have VR. So this is a surface wave. If P and S waves are body waves, like traveling through the inside, this wave are the ones rolling along the surface like a grumpy ocean wave, because they have to move the surface in a complex elliptical motion. They are the slowest of the bunch. Okay, so did you know that there is a mathematical cheat code for this? For a standard Poisson solid where the Poisson's ratio is 0.25, the average earth rock VP is roughly root 3 times faster than VS. So VP is approximately 1.73 into VS. Okay, and VR is roughly 0.92 times VS. Okay, so VR is this, and if VS is like 100 mph and VP is stratospheric 173 mph and VR is what, 92 mph, so you can say that VR is literally trailing behind the S wave by a slim margin. Okay, so let's look at our ranking again. Fastest is VP, middle VS, and slowest VR. Okay, therefore VR less than VS less than VP. Now looking at our option, the correct answer is option number A. So if you picked option number B, you probably thought VR waves are faster because they cause the most damage. Now, this is a common mistake, okay? But just because a toddler is knocking over the verses does not mean they can outrun an Olympic sprinter. Okay, so and that is how you snag 2 marks in the GATE Geophysics without breaking a sweat, okay, or a tectonic plate, you can say. So body waves is greater than the surface waves, okay. So in speed, in the context of speed, and P is greater than S always, and VR is the slowest, okay. So now go forth and study, and remember, in geophysics it's okay to be a bit unstable. It just means you are full of potential energy. So see you in the next vibration. I'm in the next class. Till then, bye bye.